In this lab, we're going to show you how to make a sky lantern out of some tissue paper, some wire, and a cotton ball. Here's what you need. You'll need 5 sheets of 50 by 75 centimeter tissue paper. That's roughly 20 by 30 inch tissue paper. Either one's fine. Manila folder, a folded one, a full folder. Rubber cement, a cotton ball or two, and some craft wire. This craft wire is 26 gauge, this steel wire, something that won't melt under the heat. You're also going to need a pencil, ruler, scissors, hole punch to complete the process. Here's how you do it. Take your 4 side panels and we're going to cut off a piece on the short side. And we're going to measure up 20 centimeters, and from the short sides down here, up 20 centimeters. Put a dot there. Going in, again along the short side, go in 12 centimeters, put a dot there. And then just draw a line between those 2 locations. Oops. And I'll remove this section there. Same thing over here, up 20 along the long side from the short side, going up 20. 20. Measure in 12. Connect the 2 points and remove those 2 triangles. Okay, I've cut the 2 triangles. This part thrown in the trash. Do that to all 4 side panels. Next step is to cut out little cutouts in all the corners. There are now 6 corners. You have these 2, and the 2 at the end. For these 4 down here, just cut a little wedge piece out, about 1 centimeter in. And you're going to remove just a little triangle there. And do that for these 4 sides. Do that to all 4 pieces. Next thing is the folding. You're going to take all 4 pieces, and we're going to fold in 1 centimeter on all 6 sides. Centimeter. Give it a nice crisp fold. Again, they should all be folded to the same inside, the same direction. Do that to all 4. Once you have your 4 sides cut, the 5th piece of tissue paper is going to be for the very top. And that's a different shape than the other 4. It's pretty easy to do. Just, you're going to fold, take one of the corners and fold it towards the long side like this. What this creates now, have a nice tight point down there. This creates a square. Okay, I want to cut here. What this creates now is a perfect square. I'm going to open this up to be a square that'll fit on top of the hot air balloon of the other 4 sides. So it might be a good idea to just put a few points here. Put a dot here, put a dot there, and then draw a line and cut along that line. All right, I've cut this piece. This is now scrap. This perfect square piece will fit on top of the hot air balloon. Next thing is to nibble out 1 centimeter squares in each of the 4 corners and fold it all in. Now you have your top. Next thing is just to fold all 4 sides in to match up the folds on the other 4 sides. All right, all 4 sides are folded in. Now ready for construction.